So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can change the language of Twitter web, the web mode of Twitter you are using through any browser. For this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language in Twitter web mobile application. You can do the same process on Twitter web PC application as well on any browser, so that you can change the display language of your Twitter. So all you need to just open the Twitter website and log in to your Twitter account. I have logged in through my Twitter account through Chrome browser. Once I have logged in, all you have to do is to just simply click on the profile option at the top left corner. When you click your profile option, a side window will open right in front of you, where you have to click on the button of settings and support at the most below of the list. When you click on this option, you will see again a small window has been opened which says settings and privacy. You have to click on this option. When you click on this option, you will see on the last second accessibility, display and languages. Just simply click on this option in order to change the language of your Twitter web. Now you have to click on the option of languages at the third number of the list. You can see it's just right there. Simply click on this option. When you click there, display language option will be open right in front of you, from where currently it is set to English. You can, by clicking there, select the display language of your Twitter. You can see a lot of languages are available for Twitter. You can select any of the language as per your convenience, which satisfies you. Once you select the language as per your convenience, just hit save. Currently I don't want to change the language from English to anywhere else, so I am not going to change it. And if you want to change it, just simply select the language as you want and hit save button. So that's a very easy and quick tutorial for changing the language on Twitter web. I hope this video will be interesting and helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.